My name is Kelsey Hart, and my presentation is on renal calculi and the effect of kidney stones on the urinary system. I chose to do renal calculi because my brother recently had a kidney stone. I built a three-dimensional model of the urinary system with kidney on the left in renal calculi and kidney on the right in regular homeostatic function. In addition to the kidneys, I've also included the ureters, bladder, urethra, renal arteries, renal veins, the vena cava, and aorta. The function of our kidneys is to filter out blood and remove waste, which produces our urine. When kidneys have renal calculi, minerals from our urine form consolidated crystals inside the kidneys. When one of these stones gets too large or starts to make its way down the ureter, it can cause a great deal of pain. In addition, if you have a large kidney stone and that gets stuck in the ureter, this can create a blockage and cause urine to back up into your kidney. This can cause the kidney to swell and may lead to infection and damage to the kidney. Using my model, I will first demonstrate on the homeostatic side. In this case, I will be using water to represent urine. As you can see, no kidney stone formations are present in the right kidney. You'll notice the urine is produced by the right kidney, where it then travels through the ureters to the bladder, where it's eventually released by the urethra. As we take a look at the left kidney with renal calculi, you can see the kidney stone formations. If we take one of these kidney stones and push it through the kidney, it makes its way down the ureters, causing inflammation and pain. Right here is one of the kidney stones. You can see it's backed up in the ureter. If we go ahead and produce urine, you can see how the urine begins to fill the ureter and back into the kidney. This will cause the kidney to swell as more urine begins to fill the kidney. Not only is this very painful, it can lead to infection and potentially kidney damage if left untreated. Through doing this project, I found just how vital our kidneys are to our urinary system, and that something like kidney stones, when left untreated, can lead to very serious infections and a great deal of pain. One improvement I could have made on this project in the future would be to use tubing material that is smaller and more flexible. As you can see, the tubes are quite stiff and cause the ureters to cross instead of going straight down. So I would have used smaller tubing that could come this way from each kidney rather than the thicker tubing that crossed